The hospitality and travel industry suffers from a unique challenge that most other product-driven organizations or service-driven organizations, such as hotels for that matter, don't suffer from, and that is disintermediation. So there are so many different organizations involved in one journey of one person that it's not clear whose responsibility it becomes to engage with that customer, to draw some kind of lifetime value from that customer, to deliver value to that customer. And what I mean by that is a journey typically starts with an inspiration or a search. Then it goes into a transaction for various things, for hotels, for cars, for tickets, and so on and so forth. Then it's the day of the journey, and then it's the journey itself, and then it's the post-journey, after which the cycle repeats itself. And this is a huge landscape. It's a huge scope and scale of any industry, for that matter, to tackle from a commercial excellence perspective. And so it becomes a real challenge as to where do I focus my priorities? What can I actually do for this customer that delivers value to this customer? An organization that I worked with in the past as a client had a slogan that said many journeys and many destinations. And that is a nightmare from a strategic marketing perspective, right? How do you build an ideal customer profile? There are as many ICPs or ideal customer profiles as there are customers, almost. Everybody has a different context to why they're traveling and what's happened before they actually come to your doorstep and start to consume your services. So that's one huge challenge, right? How do you even identify what value looks like?